Good morning. Myself and Dr.M DT, CSC and Medical. In this video, we'll be discussing on case study of white coding by my language students. They'll be intro the session.
Hello, myself Manish Kumar from CSC third year. I'm from SNS College of Technology. Myself Devan from CC at SNS College of Technology.
Myself Gokul from third year CSC from SNS College of Technology.
I am Ayur from third year CSC from SNS College of Technology.
Hello, sir. Today we are here to discuss about the case study on e-commerce platform. So, in this in fast-moving world, many users are developed to AI and personalized recommendation as a trend. So, in this, while coming to the traditional model, it was more difficult and has many limitations on it. So, in it, we need a number of developers and a number of ML data to try and more personalized designs we needed. So this was a main drawback in traditional model. While we advanced with the AI, in this we have a personal recommendation system. So for example, if you are developing an e-commerce platform for a startup company, they have many drawbacks like the developers team account and then training data sets and personalized feedbacks about the users, how they want or how they prefer to be, the app should be or the web should be. So this is the main drawback. Here we are to discuss about how we are going to overcome these drawbacks and limitations.
Okay, so for this development work, initially the company has to hire a lot many developers and testers and all that. But if we see today, there is a new term that is called vibe coding. Many of us know that, and it is very useful and developers enjoy that because vibe coding means you just have to type in English to the AI and it generates and it codes and it fully develops the app or website completely on itself. So it makes the human effort efficient by around 90 to 95%. We just have to give the natural language prompt like generate the onboarding page for this company, like or generate the dashboard like that. We just have to give the prompt and it does all of the work. And if we see, if developers take the time, with the project like around goes to 6 to 7 months. But using vibe coding, we can do it in very less time, like about 1 or 2 days, even 1 or 2 days. So to this level of extent, it has advantages. And also, if we see vibe coding, there are many LLMs that build the vibe coding platform, like OpenAI has a codex like that, and Claude like that, and anti-gravity, that is the latest platform from Google, and most of us use that. It gives a list of AI models, LLMs, and we can use that, and we can type the prompt in the language we know, that is English, and the AI agent does all the coding. It generates the list of files and code, and we simply have to run that. And even the advantage in anti-gravity platform is Google itself tests the platform. So we have to just interact with the AI using them.
Okay, let's discuss about how we are going to implement the vibe coding to create a website that recommends the products to users. Okay, instead of spending weeks on complex programs to create an algorithm to give the recommended products to the users, we can prompt the AI with just an English words. Okay, let's consider the split the development product in 3 steps. First, I'm going to prompt the AI with create an product page that needs to track over the user's activity by what kind of products they are searching, what kind of products they are clicking, so that we can get the data from the user's activities. Next, we are going to prompt the AI to recommend the products based on their previous activities. So it will develop an applications that create a recommendation system in the existing app. So it will recommend the products based on previous activities. It will generate new contents, and also it says the various websites to give the products to the users. At last, we need to create a personalized user interface so that they can interact with our applications. Okay. At last, I'm creating a prompt to create a personalized interface for the users. With the products they are interested in. So okay, then the AI will develop an personalized user interface that will fills with the products that the users actually searched in previous history or they are searching frequently in recent days.
Okay, now let's see about the advantages, limitations along with the real-time example. Suppose if a person want a personalized recommendation app, first in traditional way there would be a large number of members, or there would be a team which would be containing 10 to 12 members. But in case of vibe coding, we just need one or two members based on which itself we would be able to create the projects. And also in traditional way, it would be taking around a lot of months to create the project. But whereas in white coding, it will be taking around few weeks in order to complete this. And next step is that we will be getting the data sets. So in traditional way, there won't be any kind of personalized recommendation apps. It would be just as a common app where we will be getting the data sets of common things. But in case of personalized recommendation projects, we need a personalized data set. So for that, it would be a little bit difficult in this case of white coding. So this is a limitation in white coding where we need to get high quality personalized data in order to get in order to generate that kind of results. And also next step is natural language processing where we would be giving the user would be giving the inputs in human languages which would be converted into the machine language, and then the projects would be created. So this is how it would be working. And also if you see what are the advantages of white coding is that the development time would be reduced almost around 40 to 60%, and the limitation is that we will be over dependent on AI. So I would like to conclude by saying that white coding would not take or replace humans. It just act as a technique or an upgrade to make the work faster and great. Thank you.
Thank you.